How to fix loose door hinge. Here's my cabinet, and I will show you in just a moment how the door has been broken. Actually, it has hinges, but there's only one screw holding it on. And the screws have fallen out. So I'm having to go to the store and buy a new screw, wider, with bigger threads. Now, I've removed the door, and with the new screws that I just bought, I am going to replace the ones that are even being held. So I'm going to take out the smaller screw and replace it with the new screws that I bought. And as you can see, it has bigger teeth, and it's not too long, otherwise it goes through my board here. Now with a door jamb, I could easily use a longer screw, but not with this one. Now my screw is wider, but it still fit in the hinge, and it tightens up really good. Now I've got the door hung. I had to kind of like hold it up with my foot to get it on there, so I didn't film that part. But now I've got one screw in each of the hinges, and I'll just finish it off with the other screw. Now this is the cabinet. This is actually where I keep my kitty litter, and it's in my living room because it's probably the closest to ventilation. All this I bought online, the kitty litter box and the kitty locker, and it closes up really nice, and you wouldn't even know that it was a kitty litter for the cat. Now all this I did, like I said, I bought it all online, and I got cash back for it all. And you can find how you can do it for free. You can join this membership by clicking on the button below. I'll tell you all about it. And you can get cash back for the things that you buy online. Just buying the things that you normally buy from the stores that you normally buy from. Okay, well, have a good day. Thank you.